Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. Before starting any work, prioritize safety. Always perform this task in a well-ventilated area, ideally outdoors, to disperse any fuel vapors. Protect yourself by wearing safety glasses and chemical-resistant gloves. It is crucial to have a fire extinguisher within arm's reach. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Then, relieve the fuel system pressure by removing the fuel pump fuse and running the engine until it naturally stalls. Next, you'll need to gain access to the fuel pump. On many vehicles, you can find an access panel conveniently located under the rear seat or within the trunk. However, if your vehicle does not have this access point, you will need to carefully lower the entire fuel tank from beneath the vehicle. To make this process safer and easier, try to drain as much fuel as possible from the tank beforehand. Always use a sturdy floor jack, perhaps with a wooden block, to securely support the tank as you work. Now, let's get to the core of the replacement. Begin by carefully disconnecting all fuel lines and electrical connectors attached to the old fuel pump assembly. A specialized fuel pump lock ring tool is highly recommended to safely remove the large retaining ring without damaging the fuel tank. Gently lift the old pump out, being mindful of the fuel level sender arm. When installing the new pump, ensure all new seals and gaskets are correctly positioned for a leak-free fit. Then secure it with the lock ring. For the final steps, carefully reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connections to your newly installed fuel pump. If you lowered the fuel tank, raise and secure it properly. Otherwise, reinstall the access panel. Reconnect the negative battery cable to restore power. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition key to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this several times. This primes the fuel system. Finally, start the engine and thoroughly inspect all connections for any signs of fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.